How to add Snapchat link to Facebook. What you can do is you can head over first on your Snapchat and then click right here on your profile. Now in here you can see this. So head over and click on the share snap code. Click on this copy and then this will copy your profile link. Now let's head over right here to our Facebook. Now let's click on our profile icon in order to go to our profile page and then click on this edit profile. So scroll down right here until you can see this link. Click on this edit your about info, or you can also click on this edit right here. And then you can head over and then just add in here a social link. Click on this add social link. And then for this case, let's click on this platform and then let's choose Snapchat. And then let's add right here a profile link that we have added earlier. Then click on this check. Now as you can see, it will be added. So you head over and click on save. And then this will save your profile link right here onto your actual profile. So that's how you add Snapchat link to Facebook. Hope we helped.